Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we're gonna prepare Moroccan dish which is lentils. It's so amazing and so delicious and so healthy. We prepare it especially in winter. Without further ado, let's get started. We need in this recipe some lentils, one diced tomato, one diced onion, 4 minced cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of parsley, half a cup of olive oil. We add the all ingredients to our pots. Onion, tomato, garlic, spices, cilantro, and olive oil. And we put our pots in the oven and cook it for 5 minutes on medium heat. Soak the lentils in water for 5 minutes. Drain the lentils from the water and add them to the onion. And stir from time to time. Add water to the pan until the lentils are covered. Cover your pan and let the lentils cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. Stir from time to time and check the level of water and add if necessary. It should always be a little sauce in the pan. And as I said, you should cook it on medium heat. After 30 minutes, check the lentils. If it is ready, add some salt if necessary or some cumin and serve it with some olive oil and some bread. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you find it easy to try. It's so easy. Don't hesitate to try it. It's so easy. Thank you for watching and see you next time, inshallah.